Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Q7 has sufficient charge and the screen is awake. This prevents interruptions. Tap the settings icon in the watch menu right away. You do not need the phone for the only supported method. Once in settings, look for date and time or time option. If you see auto or sync enabled, toggle it off before proceeding, because manual edits are blocked while automatic sync is active. With auto sync disabled, select Set Time to enter the manual editor. This is the core action. Tap Hours, change to the correct hour, then tap Minutes and adjust precisely. The interface accepts touch swipes or the side button in increments. Make sure you select AM or PM if the watch uses 12-hour mode, otherwise switch to 24-hour in the same menu to avoid confusion. Once both fields read correctly, press Confirm to lock the new time. After confirming, return to the watch face and verify the displayed time immediately so you catch errors. If the watch reverts or shows the wrong time, go back to settings and double-check auto sync is off. Some firmware re-enables it after restarts. If problems persist, restart the Q7 and repeat the manual set. Restarting often clears temporary sync locks. If it still fails, try a full settings reset as a last resort, but back up paired data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.